Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the third chapter of political science. What is government? Government is a group of people with the authority to govern a country or state. Every country needs a government to make decisions and get things done. For example, decision on where to build roads and schools or ways to increase the supply of electricity. It also takes action on many social issues. Example, several programs to help the poor. Work of a government. It make decision and get things done. It also takes action on many social issues. It does other important things such as running postal and railway services, protecting the boundaries of the country and maintaining peaceful relation with other countries. It is responsible for ensuring that all its citizens have enough to eat and have good health facilities. It is a government that mainly organizes aid and assistance for the affected people during tsunami and earthquake. If there is a dispute or if someone has committed a crime, you find the people in a court a part of the government. How government works? Government works at different levels: local level, state level, and national level. Levels of government. The local level government means government at village or town level. It works for the welfare of its own area. The state level government that covers an entire state. The national level government for the entire nation. Laws and the government. Government makes laws and everyone has to follow them. It has a power to enforce its decisions. For example, all persons driving a motor vehicle must have a license. Any person caught driving a vehicle without a license can either be jailed or fined a large sum of money. Without laws, the government's power to make decision is not of much use. What are the types of government? There are two types of government. First one is monarchy, second one is democratic. Monarchy, this form of government in which king or queen has the power to make decisions and run the government. The monarch have a small group of people to discuss matters with, but the final decision making power remains with the monarch. Democracy and democratic government. Democracy is a rule by the people. The basic idea is that people rule themselves by participating in the making of these rules. Representative democracy. It is a type of democracy in which people do not participate directly but instead choose their representatives through an election process. Voting rights. In their earliest forms, governments allowed only men who owned property and were educated to vote. Universal adult franchise. A government cannot call itself democratic unless it allows what is known as universal adult franchise. This means that all adults in the country are allowed to vote.